Hi friends, so here I am going to connect this Rode external microphone to this mobile phone, then record video with audio. So let me connect this microphone to this mobile phone. Okay, done. You can see this mobile has detected this microphone. You can see the symbol here, and here you can see the light on this Rode microphone. But the problem is when I record video, it's not taking audio from this Rode external mic. Instead of that, it's taking audio from phone mic. So that is the issue which I am facing. So I have a fix for that. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then select sound and vibration, then go down, then tap on other settings, then tap on default recorder. By default it will be auto select. Here we need to select add-on. When we select add-on, when a device with audio recording capability is connected to your phone, it will be used by default to record audio. So that is a feature. So we need to select add-on here. You can see I have selected add-on. Then go back, open camera app, then record the video. So this time it takes audio from this Rode external microphone. So this way we can fix this issue. Okay, so please try it.